Hey there, just a quick video about how to assemble the stabilizer bar for the Leaps and Rebounds rebounder. This here is a 40-inch model, but it's the same with the 48-inch. We found doing it slightly different than the instruction manual makes it a little bit easier. What Jake here did is he unscrewed one of the legs, and then you have all the parts on the table that came with it. And slide the bracket onto one of the legs first, and then put the leg through. That way it doesn't catch as much trying to get it up there. And then you screw the leg on. We found that this was way easier than what the instruction manual originally says. Just get the washer and the nut onto it and kind of hand tighten it. Do the same for the other hole. The enclosed tool to tighten it up. Wrench to tighten the other two screws. The rubber feet caps back on. That's the bulk of it. And then just have to put the handlebar assembly together. Line it up to the desired height, and voila. Hope the video helps.